Good evening. How are you? I have written there. My name is Lorna. I want to motivate myself as a learner because I want to enhance my English speaking. What about you? Are you from? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Are you? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Are you a student? Are you working? Okay. Wow. Advance all the best. And as soon as you get your destination where you want to reach. And you tell how long have you been using this platform? Do you want to enhance your English speaking? Okay. Okay, do you practice with language learner regularly? Okay. Hmm. Okay, I got to know you afraid to talk with the language learner and you have a language phobia. You always think I make mistake while interacting with them, people what they think about me, right? Yeah, that's why because everyone thinks this kind of right. Because even though language is just as a language, right? And language is equal to driving and swimming. It is required only 20% theory and 80% practice. If you want to learn how to driving, if you read thousand book how to drive, you cannot drive, right? If you if you practice regularly how to drive and you have to sit on the driver's seat, then you can drive well. But if you read thousand and lakhs book how to drive, you cannot drive. And if you want to learn how to swimming and if you read thousand books how to swim, you cannot swim. If you read, if you practice regularly 10 to 20 minutes per day, then definitely you can swim very well, right? Then that's why language equal to just like a driving and swimming. 20% required theory, 80% required practice. Even though you see who are good speaker, they are also still practicing, right? And well educated people have double degree on their hands, but they cannot speak single sentence in front of anyone due to lack of practicing, right? Then we, yeah, we should not worry about it because we always get a demotivator. People evaluate our English speaking and they correct our mistake and they demotivate us. But you always motivate yourself. If someone demotivate you, your English is not good, you don't have fluency, and you make mistake while speaking, then you tell them simply, I want to enhance my English speaking, that's why I am practicing, right? And you don't worry about their words, you don't focus their words, what they tell you, means in favor of against your means speaking part, because we are language learner. English is not our mother tongue, it is our second language, right? And language is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Even though you see illiterate people, they don't have degree on their hand, but they can speak fluent English apart from well educated people, right? Because they practice regularly, right? Yeah. That's why you don't worry. If you get anyone, you practice with them, you talk with them, you never focus you're making mistake. First of all, you try to achieve your fluency. You are a good speaker, you are a fluent speaker. I know you want to polish your fluency. That's why you are using this platform, right? Yeah, that's why we should not worry about the those who miss demotivate us. And language always takes time, right? No one can get overnight. It will take time. Yeah. Then you evaluate my English speaking. You asked me what's your level? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Right now I spoke with you, then you evaluate my level. What level I have. No, 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 no. I can speak 5%. I record 95%. I make mistakes while speaking with others. I don't have much vocabulary inside my head, and I don't have much idiom phrasal verb inside my head. But I am trying to speak with, I'm trying to improving that kind of vocabulary and idiom, phrasal verb, or those kind of. I want to enhance my English speaking. I want to get my fluency. I want to build my confidence while interact with them, right? Because confidence also required. Right, because even though if you interact with someone and that person is a good speaker and fluent speaker, then we immediately lose our confidence in front of that person. Right? We always think that person is a good speaker. How can I interact with that person? Right? And we immediately lose our confidence. That's why we don't worry about it and we try to build our confidence simultaneously. We get our fluency and it requires daily practice. If you don't practice regularly 10 to 20 minutes per day, then we may lose our fluency simultaneously confidence. That's why we have to talk with anyone 10 to 20 minutes per day, because we are living in non-native speaker country. We don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours, right? We have to create English speaking atmosphere surrounding us. No one can help you. You have to help yourself. That is only one technique. Yeah, tell me. Otherwise, I am so talkative. I never get you chance to speak. If you speak, then I listen. Otherwise, I will speak. Mhm. I'm so talkative. Mhm. Okay, why you think this kind of I am fluent speaker? I'm not a fluent speaker. Even though you see, if I talk with people, they demotivate me. They tell your English is MTI and you never use strong vocabulary and you make mistake with grammar, with accuracy. You cannot speak correct sentence. They tell me those kind of ingredient, but I never focus their demotivate sentences. I always focus definitely one day I can speak better English. I want to speak good Indian standard English. That's why I'm here.
Yeah.
I completed my graduation. Yeah, I want to enhance speaking. That's why I involve in this platform. But even though you see this platform, no one can. If you take topic, they leave the group, right? If you want to discuss any topic, they don't want to talk with you. Those kind of people I always get in this platform. That's why sometime I talk with anyone and sometime I never talk with anyone in this platform. Less practice here, but I involve in this platform because if I get any language partner and I practice with them, that's why I involve in this platform.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Because we get a different mentality people, right? They always tell I want to enhance my English speaking, and if you tell them we take topic to discuss or we talk random talk, then they refuse to talk. They always want to know your personal matter, right? They don't want to take topic.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. How many siblings do you have? How many
What?
siblings? How many siblings do
Um,
you have? How many siblings? Hmm.
I have two siblings, including me.
Okay. Okay.
I have a sister. I'm 10.
Okay. You are two kids of your parents, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what she does?
Sorry.
What she does? What does she?
Sorry.
What she does? She is studying? Is she studying or is she?
No, my sister. My sister.
Yeah.
She's studying degree.
Okay.
She's final year. Yeah,
Okay.
she's a student.
Okay.
Degree. Mm.
Okay. So nice. Then how many languages do you know?
I know only two. One is Telugu
Okay.
and the second one English. English is a little bit know.
You are good speaker. How can you tell you are not a good speaker? You are a good speaker and you are a fluent speaker. Your mode of speaking is outstanding, and but you want to polish your fluency. I know everyone they want to polish their fluency. That's why they involve in this kind of platform, right? Because we cannot tell our
Yeah.
friend to practice with them, and we cannot tell them you listen carefully. If I make mistake, you correct my mistake. We cannot tell our friend, right? Then if you come online, you get someone, you talk with them, it is a better for us. That's why we are using in this kind of free platform to interact with co-learner.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a good thing. And it is a good platform also. If you get time, then you practice with the language learner. It is a better for you. What time do you get free
Uh,
time? Let me know. And if I get free time, definitely we take topic to discuss or we practice any kind of means. If we don't take topic, then we talk casual conversation, right?
okay.
Yeah. I think are you busy, right?
No, no. I'm not busy.
Okay.
I take time to practice. Yeah. Now I take time to practice English. I'm searching for speaking English.
Okay. Then
Uh,
you let me know what time do you get free time, then we practice each other. It is a better for us, right? And I have
Okay.
created YouTube channel. That's why I uploaded in my on my moment box. You subscribe it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you go and you subscribe my YouTube channel.
Where? Okay. You send link.
Yeah, moment box. You see on moment box. Otherwise, I
Okay.
will
Okay.
send
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You subscribe
Uh,
it.
what-
Did you see?
no. Okay. I will check
Okay.
now. YouTube.
If you, I will send you link. Got it? Okay. And if I make mistake, you correct my mistake, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I check it.